We are going to see the demo of training chatbots in multiple languages using Rasa NLU platform. The training data is translated into multiple languages. Individual NLU models are trained using the translated training data. Here we have trained the chatbot for three languages, namely English, French, and German. Each NLU component uses separate port. This is the middleware which is used to respond back with the corresponding languages given as input. Here we have a common action file for the three models to perform corresponding actions. Here we can see the demo of chatbot trained for three different languages for leave application use case. As per a request, the leave application is sent successfully for the above mentioned date. The leave application is sent successfully for three languages. Thank you for watching.